Probably the best buy in town. Hey, walk. The whole store to find it. And I shook it up. I'm good to go. I'm going to fill in the gaps. 3 inches. Well, you know, use it once, throw it away. That's what this is about. Fill it up. Here we go. Don't do too much. Just do enough. Because this thing will expand. Alright. If any of this foam bothers you, you could always come here and you could just cut it into it and get rid of it. You can see how easy it peels. Easier to peel it than to take the knife and cut into something you're going to regret. Take off a little at a time, and when you're pleased with the results, you're done. You can always come with sandpaper and sand it down and paint it. Insta foam, what it's about. I guess one of my questions, your questions is it burnable? And we could burn it, as you can see, and it does smell.